going to do our sounds for today. We're going to start with the letter K. Okay, say it with me. K. And the sound is K, not K. K. K says K. Nice and loud for me. K. An example is key. Can you give me another word that starts with K? Very good. Okay. Our next letter is L. L says L, as in lion. L says L. Push your tongue to the back of your teeth. Very good. Next one. M. M says like Mr. McD. Very good. M says Very good. Next one. N. N says like naps or nest. N says Very good. Do it one more time. Good. Last one. I love this picture. O says ah. Remember what I said? It makes the letter ah. O says ah, as in octopus. Ah. Ah. Good. Which is also a vowel. A-E-I-O. We got one more. I didn't say it because we'll say it when we get to it. All right. Hope you're doing well. We'll have 5 more for tomorrow on Friday. See you soon. Bye.